In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Ford Focus. It's located in your wheel well. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Now that you have the wheel off, you're going to use your trim tool and take out this push pin. We're going to do that here and here as well. Using a T27, you're going to remove this bolt, and there's also one on the inside. Take out this bolt as well. Now we're going to remove this push pin using a trim tool. Okay, again using the T27 Torx bit, we're going to take out these two bolts. Remove this bolt. This one. And this one down here. Use the same T27 and take out these two bolts underneath. These are right in front of the mud flap. Now we're going to remove our fender liner. You're going to slowly peel this away, pushing forward. Make sure you take this out from this flap, and it should come out. So now we're going to move our new liner in, get it over that strut, hold it in place. You also need to get it past that sensor. Put the flap inside, so the hole is on the inside. Push it in. Start with the middle one. After you line up these two holes, you're going to put your push pin in here. This push pin is the long one, the other ones are shorter. Put your push pin in here. Now we're going to fasten our fender liner with this bolt here. I'm going to get it started by hand, and we can tighten it up. And now we're going to move on to the back here. Put the bolt in. Tighten it. Put the two bolts here. Tighten those. Tighten this bolt in the bottom corner. And then move your way up. Put your bolt here. Tighten it up. On the front of the fender, and tighten it up. Get that bolt started. And also on the other side, tighten them up. Put your wheel back on, and start your lug nuts. Start with your bottom one, walk the wheel on. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.